Look what came in the mail. I've been waiting all week to film this. See here. Johan Gavries. Shout out to you. He's the guy that's IMJDM channel. And longtime friend, co-worker at that. We're going to go ahead and open this box. If you guys didn't know, I was the happy winner of a turbo.
Spin that shit hella hard.
Spin it hard.
So Ski's gonna pick a winner. I'm gonna
right.
put my foot on this motherfucker. Get there and rip that shit.
Here we go. Ready?
Go for it. So, Darren Lawrence, you are the winner, brother.
Woohoo!
So there we go.
Let's see if he's on there.
Darren, you are the winner. If you are watching, brother, message me on Instagram. Oh yeah, so it's missing my wagon. Hey Darren, you won, bro. Darren, you are the winner. Right there.
There goes the winner right there. Thanks to my finger.
Hey,
Pennies right now, bro.
no, that's 1,000 entries. All right, guys. All right, Darren, congratulations on the turbo win, bro. Peace out, guys.
Max beating. What's funny is I actually have a set of max beating rods. All right, well, let me get this out of the box, open it up. You can really see that someone took the time to tape it, make sure no one can get into this box. So I'm gonna have to go get a razor blade. All right, we are back. Let's go ahead and open this box. Hey, look at that. Nice dust covers. Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah, she's solid. No play at all. I dig it. Yep. No play at all. This turbo's nice. Go ahead and pull it out of the box. As you can see, it's got an internal wastegate. Makes me think to take my tile off, put a block off plate. Come on. Get out of the box. All right, we are back. And as you can see, it's Sadie approved. Is that right, Sadie, huh? Cat likes it. I think she thinks it's a snail. Yeah, look at that. So far, I'm digging this. Wastegate looks pretty good. Solid. The door is shut. If I can get in there. Yep. Little flapper door. Let's see here. Got that. Ooh. Oh, that is cool. Yeah, I was running a 2mm restrictor. Then it looks like they put the restrictor in there already. That's nice. So I might not have to use my restrictor plate. That's cool. I dig it. Thanks, Johan. Big shout out to you, man. What else did it come with? V-band clamp. Nice. What is that, 2.5? Looks like 2.5 inch exhaust. Nice, yep. Turbo manifold gasket. Oh, wow. Focus on performance. Customer service card. That's cool. Nice. Well, big shout out to Auto Up Garage and IMJDM Gear. You guys are awesome. This is gonna... Well, let me go show you what this is gonna be on. Alright, we are out in the garage. I should probably bring a light, as I have all these parts for a G-Series build I was thinking about doing on my NA motor that's in my car, but I think that's just gonna have to be in a different time. This is what the turbo will be going on. As you can see, that was really my only final piece of the missing puzzle, and having a internal wastegate might have to rethink that, or I can just take the tile off and you know, just figure something else out. Yeah, that's what it's going on. So, once again, thank you, Johan. Thank you, Randy, over at Auto Up Garage. You guys are awesome. And hopefully I'll have this motor in sometime, and that way you guys can hear on how well the turbo held up. So, thank you.